What are the characteristics of Python? So first, it supports both functional and structured programming methods as well as OOPS concept. Okay, so here what I mean by structured or function means in C. Okay, in C programming we used to have only structured or procedure oriented data programming we call. Okay, after C we used to call everything as oops concept only. Okay, functional means using function you are trying to perform some operation. To make it more easier to understand what is structure, function or oops concept is, structured means if you are having a robot. Okay, each time daily the work of the robot is to bring milk. Okay, and it has to put uh, from the shop. Okay, milk shop is there 1 kilometer from the house. Okay, it work is just to get that milk packet and then return back to the home. Okay, and each time daily you have to wake up and you have to give the instruction to the robot like take this direction, like move 1 kilometer, there will be shop is there. Likewise daily if you are giving instruction means that is nothing but the structured or procedure oriented. You have to again and again repeat the same procedure to perform the operation. Whereas functional means you will be creating one function. Inside that function you will provide all these steps, what are the steps has to be done, then you will feed it to your robot. The only thing you need to use is the function name, like how we will use. So similarly if I say buy milk means it will understand and it will perform that procedure wise. Okay, that is the function oriented. Only using functions we will try to control the program. Okay, oops concept means even more additional details we are trying to add. So same procedure, today we are asking to buy milk in the same shop, some other products also is there. Okay, instead of creating on some curd or anything I want to buy, instead of creating a new function or giving instruction in the same place, instead of providing milk, I can ask the change the parameter. I want curd this many packet. Likewise I can change the parameter and with the same program I can execute the process. So that and all comes under oops concept. Okay, uh, in programming everything is a object only. Human things, everything comes under object only. Okay, so next, as I have told, it can be used as a scripting language. Okay, or can be compiled to bit code for building larger applications. So both extent it can use. And then dynamic data types. So this is also another one characteristic of Python. In other programming language we have to specify what data type you are going to use for that particular variable. Okay, whereas in Python you don't need to specify the data type, so it will dynamically change its data type. Automated garbage collection. So automatically it will remove unwanted data or the memory. Okay, once there is no use of that particular memory means that will be automatically removed. Okay, and then so works on different platform. A Python can run equally on a different platform such as Windows, Linux, Mac, and so on. So that when you are writing a program in one environment, if I'm writing a program in a Linux or any other environment, and I'm taking that particular program and running in different environment or different platform means you don't need to change or modify anything. Okay, it will run as is as normally it is running. Okay, so that we can call it as a cross platform independent. Okay, and also we can call Python as a portable language. Okay, so only difference in other programming language like Java is here in Python you need the source code. Okay, because it is line by line it is executing. So from the source code only it will take each line and the conversion will be happening. Okay, that is the difference between Java and Python. So for Java, dot class is enough, no need of source code also. Okay, in case if I'm so that it will provide some hiding our main source code. Okay, whereas in Python source code is the mandatory. Okay, with the source code only it can perform the conversion. Then simple syntax. So I told right the simple similar to English language, its syntax will be okay. And Python have a syntax that allows developer to perform complex operation or complex tasks in a fewer lines of code, whereas in other programming language it will take more lines of code for simple program. Even if you want to write a hello world program in Java, how many lines you have to write? Minimum 2 3 lines you have to write, right? A class, what is the class name? Inside that you will be creating a public static void main. Inside that you will be putting system.out.println, and then print hello world, something you will printing, right? But whereas when come to Python, directly you can give print hello world, it will print, no need of any header file or no need to create any class or anything. Okay.